I don't know. I just feel like uncomfortable, like the word creative. It's work, artwork, straight up, labor. Painting is blue collar. If we were pro surfers or pro skateboarders, how many hours would we be skating, right? I get to be a pro artist, so I treat it like it's extreme sport in a way. For me, like getting us started this, you're always just trying to draw someone in. I don't want my work to alienate people and have them scratching their head. I want them to vibe with it right away. So that brings someone in. I grew up in San Antonio in a Chicano neighborhood. The idea of we take an Impala, it's all beat up, but we don't really have the dough to buy a brand new one. We're gonna take this and trick it out and make it something beyond what it was. So yeah, I have that vibe in the work. I think it comes from having not much, right? And you want to make it the best. We pull from primarily 70s magazines because the printing quality and the color I like. Rock stars from that time period mixed with old stereo equipment. It creates a weird sentence of a time that was different. Being an artist, you're on your feet all the time or kneeling on your foot bent. So we wear boots here. We wear work boots at this painting studio. I really trust my intuition. And I just act, intuitively. I don't really want to know why or whatever. A lot of hours in, but so if you got 50 hours in, you probably only like 3 of them. But those 3 maybe feed the 50.